So why this cracking of joint happens? Basically our joint is filled of a synovial fluid. So our synovial fluid is having lot of bubbles which is having nitrogen, oxygen. So whenever these bubbles burst, this cracking sound comes. So the cracking sound which is not giving any pain, you can enjoy the cracking sound. If this cracking sound is there with the pain, then there can be arthritis of a joint, or there can be a muscle tear, or there can be a fracture. So to evaluate this, definitely you should go and meet your doctor.